Welcome to Cute and Easy Drawings. Let's play together. 3, 2, 1, start. I'll guide you step by step, so grab your pencils and markers, and let's get drawing together.
Watch it grow. Draw a cat or maybe a tree. It's easy, cute as 1, 2, 3.
This drawing is super cute, and it's easy to follow.
Art adventures every day. Smiles appear with every line. Easy, cute, it's drawing time. Easy, cute, drawings, let's go. Step by step, watch it grow. Draw a star or maybe a bee. It's easy, cute, it's 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I know how simple this drawing is. Anyone can do it.
Happy face or sunny sun. Every doodle is so much fun. You're an artist, you'll see. Just start drawing with me. Easy, cute drawings, let's go. Step by step, watch it grow. Draw a heart or maybe the sea. It's easy, cute as 1, 2, 3. As 1, 2, 3.
This is such an easy and fun drawing. You're going to love it.
Let's draw some magic once again. Shapes and colors come alive. Easy, cute, it's art time. Easy, cute drawings, let's go.
It's so much fun adding all these little details to make it look even cuter.
It's easy, cute as 1, 2, 3. Squiggles, wiggles, lines that play. Art adventures every day. Smiles appear with every line. Easy, cute, it's drawing time. Easy, cute drawings, let's go.
Every step makes this drawing cuter and cuter, doesn't it?
Draw a cat or maybe a tree. It's easy, cute as 1, 2, 3. Draw a happy face or a sunny sun. Every doodle is so much fun. You're an artist, you'll see. Just start drawing with me.
Look at that, it's already turning out so adorable.
Step by step, watch it grow. Draw a heart or maybe the sea. It's easy, cute as 1, 2, 3.
Welcome to Cute and Easy Drawings, where fun and art keep calling. Grab your pencil, let's get started. We'll make some drawings happy-hearted.
Welcome to Cute and Easy Drawings, where fun and art keep calling. Grab your pencil, let's get started. We'll make some drawings happy-hearted. Welcome to Cute and Easy Drawings, where fun and art keep calling. Grab your pencil, let's get started. We'll make some drawings happy-hearted. Welcome to Cute and Easy Drawings, where fun and art keep calling. Grab your pencil.
Let's add some color to make it come alive.
Started. We'll make some drawings happy-hearted. Yeah, yeah. Welcome to Cute and Easy Drawings, where fun and art keep calling. Grab your pencil, let's get started. We'll make some drawings happy-hearted. Welcome to Cute and Easy Drawings, where fun and art keep calling. Grab your pencil, let's get started. We'll make some drawings happy-hearted.
This is the fun part.
Welcome to Cute and Easy Drawings, where fun and art keep calling. Grab your pencil, let's get started. We'll make some drawings happy-hearted.
Welcome to Easy Cute Drawings, where shapes and colors are flying. Grab your crayons.
Let's use bright colors to make it even more adorable.
Easy Cute, so fun to do. Drawing smiles for me and you. Welcome to Easy Cute Drawings, dreams in every hue.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Where shapes and colors are flying. Grab your crayons, let's get trying. Easy Cute, so fun to do. Drawing smiles for me and you. Welcome to Easy Cute Drawings, dreams in every hue.
Remember, you can choose any colors you like, make it your own.
Welcome to Easy Cute Drawings, where shapes and colors are flying. Grab your crayons, let's get trying. Easy Cute, so fun to do. Drawing smiles for me and you. Welcome to Easy Cute Drawings, dreams in every hue.
Wow, look at how amazing it turned out with all those colors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, so you never miss out on new adorable drawings. If you enjoyed drawing with me today, please give this video a big thumbs up. Your support means so much and helps me create more fun and easy tutorials.